Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve this problem in which we need to evaluate 20 divided by 5 plus 7 multiplied by 2. So let's start this problem. First of all, in order to solve this problem, we need to know a rule that is called PEMDAS rule, in which we will see a different order of operations. First of all, we have operation of P, which is represented by parentheses. Similarly, the next one is E. E represents exponents and M and D represent multiplication and division. Both have same order, but if we move from left to right, if the multiplication appear first, then multiplication has higher order than division. Similarly, A and S, which is addition and subtraction, both have the same order, just like we see multiplication and division. But if we move from left to right, if addition appear first, then addition has the higher order than the subtraction. Now we are going to solve our problem. So first of all, I'm going to do the division. So when I do 20 divided by 5, I will get 4. Similarly, I will substitute the value. I will get 4 plus 7 multiplied by 2. Now the next operation is multiplication operation. So I will multiply 7 with 2. I will get 14. And now I'm going to substitute this value. When I substitute this value, I will get 4 plus 14. We know that 4 plus 14 is 18. So this is our answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. I will give you the answer of that question. Thank you.